May our new generation Slim E30 model be beneficial to our customer in Istanbul. We are starting mass production directly in the 15 mode.
Let's take it for 20.
Let's take it to 30.
We have a helical blade on it. Our entire helix is made from stone material.
Should we break it from the bottom?
Let's fill it to the bottom. Shall we randomly take one more and break it?
Let's show it one last time.
They are quite full to the top.
This cigarette is turned upside down, friends. Don't get any ideas. Congratulations to our customer once again.